Neil Island, or as it is now known, Shaheed Dweep. Here we go! Alright, so as you can see, the pier or the jetty is quite long, as it was on Havelock Island, or Shaheed Dweep as we should now call it, because we are reclaiming our heritage from the colonial atrocities of the past. But as I say, the past is history, the future is a mystery. On a lighter note, of course, let's keep things light in life, and let's keep on lighting up our life as much as we can. It's my baby daughter Advitya's birthday today. That's why we are all in such a good mood, and we did celebrate with a little cake cutting last night. But now it's time to party! Check out our other Andaman trip vlogs. Thanks for watching. So, after a short ride, we arrived at Neil Seashell Samsara. Neil Island is, of course, like I said earlier in my video from the jetty, is now known as Shaheed Dweep. But it's a very small island, and don't expect all sorts of, shosha baji and hoopla over here. It's quite quiet. Like you can see from the name of the cafe, the in-house cafe is called The Little Llama, and Smaran was the host over there, who gave me quite a good conversation for a few minutes that I was able to have. And the property itself is quite upscale, quite lavish, and quite serene. So, if you're looking for a meditative sort of getaway in the middle of the Andaman Islands, then I would definitely recommend Seashell Samsara. Of course, as always, a huge shout out to my bro Sachin from Let's Go Trippin', who organized all of this for us. And as soon as we got to the room, Advitya found a notepad and pencil, and of course, the base phone, and started to experiment with it, and of course, causing all sorts of trouble at the intercom. But she scribbled her first few lines on her second birthday right here on Shaheed Dweep. Hello from Andaman. We are at Lakshmanpur 2 beach in Neil Island, which should technically now be called Shaheed Dweep. And we are going to look forward to some good marine life and lots of natural wonders. So here's looking forward to more awesome max time down there by the ocean. Alright, check out our other vlogs, and just absolutely amazing to be in India's tropical island paradise. What better place to spend Advitya's birthday, or rather begin Advitya's birthday, with the natural bridge at Lakshmanpur 2 beach on Shaheed Dweep in the Andaman Islands. Hi kar do beta, hi kar dijiye. Hi kar dijiye video mein. Happy birthday boliye. Happy birthday. To Gogu. Absolutely beautiful scenes all over, and the marine life here on the coral is absolutely mesmerizing. So I will be uploading a full video about that later, but thank you so much for joining us on our experience, and here's looking forward to immortality for Advitya Akshat. We are returning from Lakshmanpur 2 beach on Shaheed Dweep, and we saw these unique plants, or fruits shall I say, of these plants. And it's very intriguing how marine life, both biological and zoological, evolves and grows and lives and dies, as every living thing must. But on Advitya's second birthday, we hope that she will live forever, as all of us wish we could. And there is the endless horizon, the infinity of possibilities of life, the universe, and everything. Alright then, it's been an awesome max day for Advitya's birthday. Looking forward to many more better and greater things for her and Iman.